Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can use AI or artificial intelligence to generate YouTube videos for your YouTube channel. So let's get started. First of all, we are using ChatGPT to write a YouTube script for our YouTube video. So first we will be writing here a prompt like write a YouTube video script on the topic of will AI take the jobs or not. So when you press enter, the ChatGPT will start writing a script for you. So let ChatGPT write the script. So here you can see ChatGPT have written the script. So next step, we will going to copy all of this script and we are going to paste it into a text document. So here I have pasted the script, and on the next step we are going to go to this website, which is pictory.ai. pictory.ai. So here you have to click on free trial. After that you have to sign up. So I already have account, so after signing up you can see this dashboard where you have script to video, article to video, edit videos using text, visuals to video. So we have to proceed with script to video. So here it is asking for the script, so we have to paste the script that we have copied from there. I'm going to paste the script here. And we just have to edit it a little bit. And then we have to click on proceed. So after that we have to choose a template for our YouTube video. So for instance, I am choosing this template. So after that you have to choose the aspect ratio. So as we are creating the YouTube video, so it will be best if we create with 16:9. After continue. So after that it is start creating your video, and it will say please wait while the video storyboard is being created. So it will generate the visuals or the videos that are 100% copyright free. And it will also place the music which is also copyright free for your YouTube channel. So let's wait for a moment. So here you can see that our video is ready. So after that we are going to add some voiceover on it. So let's go to audio, and here you can see voiceover. So here are many AI voiceovers available. So we just have to choose a AI voiceover. So for instance, I am choosing this one. So click here to apply.
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that video increases conversion rate by 80%.
You can also do many things here. You can change the text, or you can edit the video in the background, or you can also place background music on it. There are many background music. And then the next step is that we have to download this video. So we're going to download then video, then it will start preparing our video for download. It will take some time, and after that our video will be ready. So as you guys can see that our video is ready. So after clicking on download, we can download it easily in our system. So here it just started downloading, and after it will download, I will show you what we have created in just simple few steps. So this is the video that we have created in just few simple steps, and you can also create your own.
Will AI take your job? As we continue to see more and more automation in different industries, it's natural to wonder if machines will replace humans in the workforce entirely. But what's the truth behind all the hype? Let's find out. First, let's take a closer look at what AI actually is. Artificial intelligence is a branch of computer science that deals with creating machines that can perform tasks that would typically require human intelligence, such as learning, problem-solving, and decision-making. Various forms, including...
And this video is 100% non-copyrighted, and the music used in it is also non-copyrighted. So this is an amazing AI tool that you can use to create your YouTube videos in no time. So that's all for today's video, and I will catch you in the next one. So like this video if you find this interesting, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more amazing AI videos like this.